Melapress, and in this video we will be looking at how you can track user and system changes on your website. Think of user tracking as an insurance policy that enables you to, first and foremost, to boost user accountability, since we'll have a record of who did what and when, from which IP. Everything's going to be recorded. Improve existing troubleshooting processes, since we will be able to see what happened exactly prior to the issue surfacing. It helps us achieve compliance with regulations and standards such as GDPR and PCI DSS, and ultimately help us increase security. So we will be using a plugin called WP Activity Log, which is a plugin that we develop ourselves at Melapress, and we can start by navigating to plugins, add new plugin. We will look for WP Activity Log, choose this one right here, and click on Install Now. Once the plugin has finished installing, click on Activate. And upon activation, the setup wizard will automatically kick in. Click on Yes to start. Now, the first option is the level of activity log detail. We can choose between basic, which gives us a high-level overview of activity without too much detail, and comprehensive, which tracks everything happening on your WordPress site for full transparency. For the purposes of this demonstration, we're going with comprehensive. However, if you have concerns about the database, for example, you may choose to start with basic. Next is asks us a question: do you or your users log into WordPress through pages other than the default login page? Such as, for example, if you have WooCommerce, for example, or if you have any other sort of plugin that enables you or your users to log in from any other page. Since you only use the default login page, we're going to go with the second option. Next question asks us, can visitors register as users on your website? Choose between yes and no, depending on your setup. How long would you like to keep activity log data for? So by default, it's set as 3 months, which means data older than 3 months will be deleted. 6 months, 12 months, or keep all data. We're going to keep all data. By default, you can choose to send an activity log summary. So WP Activity Log will send you a weekly summary of key activities happening on your website. This includes important events such as user login, password changes, plugin updates, so on and so forth. We're happy with the email address, so we're going to click on Next, and we're all set. So finish. So we see now that we have WP Activity Log here, and if you go to Log Viewer, we can see that all of the logs are now here. We have the event ID, and each event that happens on our website has a different ID, which allows us to identify much quicker what has happened, the severity of the event. Compared here, there's been a modification of the plugin settings, for example, the date and time, so when that activity took place, the user who, the IP address, so this is a local machine, so the IP address shows as local, the object that was modified, the type of event, and the message. And we can also click on more details. And here we see additional information pertaining to that event. This is the free edition of the plugin. There are no limits to what events it can track, and no limits, as we saw, as to how long the data is kept. And that is how you can track changes on your WordPress website for free.